Hey, what's going on, everyone? I have a very special unboxing today. I was lucky enough to win the draw on this pair of Adidas Forum lows and End Clothing collaboration. So this is one of the pairs, part of a 3-pack, and in my opinion, the best looking pair of the 3. So let's dive into it. It's a very special box, as you can see. It's the normal Adidas Originals blue box. However, it has a very nice way it opens. The first thing we have here on the top, pretty cool Forum, established 1984. A little notebook with a pen, so you can take some notes. So this is, by the way, a pack inspired by, it's called the Varsity pack, which is inspired by kind of like high school stuff, in the 80s. So that's why I guess they included a little notebook for taking notes and stuff like that. And taking a look at the shoes, so what we have. So this is the green colorway, predominantly white and green. It's got the 3 Adidas stripes in different colors in a very nice suede material. The toe box here, as you can see, it's a bit of a just a bit of a darker white, it's almost like cream colored leather. And the rest is very nice, actually very nice white leather. The midsole, as you can see, it's also aged, so it's a bit darker white, cream. Very nice bottom, green. Overall very nice shoe. As soon as I saw the images online, the photos, I really like this shoe, so that's why I decided to see if I'm lucky enough to win the draw, and I did, which I'm super happy for. As you can see, let's see if I can show you guys the insole. It's a yellow insole. This one says Adidas End. Very nice. Let's take out the other shoe. So as you can see, the shoe as well, it does come, so the differences on this one, as you can see on the tongue, it says Adidas with the Originals logo, and on this tongue we have the End Clothing logo, which that was a nice touch, pretty cool. This pair does come with 2 additional laces, I see. So we've got a green pair, and we've also got a white pair of laces. So nothing else in the box. Pretty cool box, I have to say. Definitely keeping this one. That's pretty much it. That's all you get inside the box. The 2 pairs, 2 additional pairs of shoelaces. Actually, these are so these are cream, these are white, pure white, and of course the green, and the little booklet you get with the shoes. Time to show you guys an on feet. I hope you guys like this little quick unboxing and review of the Adidas Forum Low and collaboration. If you'd like to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.